Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Hotmail account. In order to recover your Hotmail account, first thing, open up your web browser. After that, on the search box, type in the link that is outlook.live.com/OWE. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. And once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site, and in the top right corner, click on the sign in button. So after that, you'll need to provide in either your phone number, email, or the Skype address. So enter in the account information associated with your Outlook account or the Hotmail account and click on the next button in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you need to enter in the password. Since you've forgotten your password and you're unable to recover your account, so click on the forgot password link in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you'll be taken to the recovery page or the support center where you need to provide in the email address or the recovery email address that you've provided while creating your account. So you need to enter in the contact details, that could be your phone number or the email address. Under it, you'll also need to solve this puzzle. After that, click on next in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you can see right in center, there's a pop-up and it states that a confirmation code has been sent to the following email, and after that you need to enter in the code right over here. So go and open up your email address. As you can see that I've received a confirmation code, so all you need to do is copy the confirmation code. Now paste in the confirmation code that you recently copied and click on verify. In order to verify your identification, you need to provide in the first name, last name, date of birth in order to recover your account. After that, click on next in the bottom right corner of your screen. You need to go through all of these steps in order to recover your account, so you need to enter in other password that you've used for this account. Third interface, you need to enter in the email address of the contact, and you also need to enter in the exact subject line of your recent email. And then click on next, which is right at the bottom. So after that, you can see your information has been submitted and you'll be notified through a recovery email. So all you need to do is wait patiently until 24 hours, and if you've provided a valid information, after that you've successfully recovered your account, or you'll be able to change your password or reset your password. In this way, you can recover your Hotmail account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.